welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LaShondacapri. As you can see, it is not me in the video today. It is my mom. Today my mom is going to be showing you guys her quick under a minute eyebrow tutorial. All you need is a dark brown hair store eyebrow pencil. My mom gets them from the hair store for $1. So if you are interested, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and let's jump straight into it. Guys, as you can see, my mom literally has no eyebrows. She literally was born that way. She'll tell you herself she has always had to draw her eyebrows in and everything. So yeah. After she gets them drawn on to her liking, she goes back in and fills them in. Now, she does use a spoolie to help with this process, and then she takes the same exact brown pencil to fill them in as well.
This one's always a little extra. What they say? Their sisters are not twins. Not twins. Bam. And I didn't mention I shaved the ends of my eyebrows. And I just point them both up as slanted as I can. But it's dark brown. I always use dark brown. Say it. I don't use black. Say it, Mom. Mama, come on. I know you took a girl. You gonna say it. What is this?
Y'all, my mama is cracking me up. She literally is ignoring me right now.
Ain't got no name, Mom. No name. 99 cent. 99 cent pencil from the hair store. Dark brown.